We are thrilled to announce that early bird registration for the AIFS 2022 conference is now open.
Where's my computer? Where's my computer?
They have scholarships. Let's apply for one.
They have Jess Hill, Anne Holland, Craig Ritchie, Ray Lovett, Angie Tangeray, Jay Weatherall, Tim Riddell, and Lisa O'Neill.
Oh, how exciting! I can't wait to get back to Melbourne so we can mingle.
Oh my god. Derek McCormack, Catherine Liddell, Penny Hagan, Karen Field, Liz Allen, Jerry Redmond, Carla Grant.
Yeah, Daryl Higgins is great. And I really want to see Liz Heffron-Webb, Natalie Lewis, Ray Caspiev, and Julia Nan Grant. Oh, great lineup. And there you go. Yep, done. I'm registered.